Okay, here's another series of tutorial on the automatic offset routing. Now I already previously I already uploaded in YouTube the tutorial on pipe the duct to pipes, this one. And then now we're going to use another script, duct to duct, duct versus duct with 45-degree. So we have an option here. We place a 45-degree here. So show you the script. I did not run yet. So this is the 45-degree here options. I use okay, let's try this one first. So I use cosine Pythagorean. What is cosine? Cosine, sine, tangent, trigonometric function. So this one I get the cosine formula. So SOHCAHTOA, adjacent over hypotenuse. So I get here, this is my cosine. So the value, I want the value 45. So this is the cosine 45-degree adjacent, this one a hypotenuse. So that I can get this line here, perfect and 45-degree. So that's how you compute it. But in Dynamo, you cannot place here the, where is it, the formula? This one. You cannot place a cosine function here, trigonometric function. So that's why I already computed the cosine value. For cosine of 45-degree is 0 point this one. So when I run Dynamo now, it will automate the angle of 45-degree. Actually, the cosine, the adjacent, which line is? Wait, I'm confused. Okay, going back here. So cosine. So this is my start point. I already get this point here. This one, the offset. So what I need to get is this one, point here, and this one. So that's why I use cosine. After that, cosine. Now you can place a line here to place the pipe. So you get my point. Okay. Ready to run the cosine 45-degree for this one. Let's try. I know it's not yet perfect, but every day we are keeping a small progress. Then eventually we get this one. Okay, let's start with the offset through baking soda. Okay, no, not yet this one. So I will place it this here. Then for now, I'm going to select the duct. Let's save this one. And then I select the other element. So for example, this is the other element that I want to offset. So if I run this one, let's check what happened. Sorry, I did not select. Okay, I think it's already deleting first. I remove this one. So as you can see now, I have here the points. It will create a 45-degree here. So this is the one that I back this line here. So this one. So this is back in college in engineering. So I have this one here. Okay, this one here is 90 degree. Then this is 45, but we know already. That's why I get the cosine. Because this one is also 45 degree. Then you have the point here. So that's why you have this one. So, okay, so you have this one now. Then I have to delete. I think maybe I made a mistake here. Okay, so after that, if you delete already, then you go here. We bake this one and run. Ay, shit. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, I think that's my problem with this baking here. So for now, I will just leave this one. So in here, I will just try place here. Okay. Okay, bake. Okay, unbake. Then select again another duct. This one. And then run. And then bake again. So if I select this one, delete. So that we don't have to use the. So again, it's still a little faster than, creating a manual piping here. You split this one. So I have 4 already, command 5, 6, offset 7. I have to offset this one to, let's say, 500. 500. 8 commands. Then it's not yet correct. I will type here again 700. Then after that, I have to use microdesk 9. So I have 9 commands already. Then I have to place here 45 degree. You can also do this one. Maybe. Okay. This is a microdesk. 10, 11, 12. Then trim 13. 14. So you have 14 commands before you can make this 45 degree. But if you use Dynamo, so again, I will just select this one and select this one and then run. So you have now this one. So 3, because I have to select here. Then delete and then bake. I made a mistake. Now this is the time to bake. After the bake, so 4, 5, 6, maybe 6. Then after that, trim 7, 8, 9, 10. So it depends, though. Depends on you and where you want to do. You do manual or you do Dynamo. But I think for me, I prefer the Dynamo because first you will learn, new skills and develop also your, learning, research. You're researching this one, downloading, copying, and then also you need to perfect this one to master all these scripts and process and automations. So anyway, go back to here. So if I select again, select the main duct, the one that we don't want to change, okay, and then select. Okay, I want to select down. I want to offset also. Unbake this one. I want to select this duct. Run. So here you go. It's a little far, so you can. The good thing about here is that you can just switch this one. Run again, and it will make it smaller. So maybe if you want to make it smaller also, the plus sign. So let's get here. I think it's already the smallest. So, but we can create another script to make it closer to the duct. So if I switch also this one to, sorry, up, then I run again. So it will, I think this one is better. So once you have the script, you can just play along with it. Okay, I made a mistake again. So I need an offset here. So this one. Then after that, you bake this one. And then you select here the long duct. Delete, trim. So again, it's still way faster and cooler than slicing here, because that's the manual. And it's a good thing again to know the script, no? It's not easy to master this one, to know the Dynamo. Take a little time, training. It took me like 3 years before I am at this level, and still I'm learning. So if I select again this one, offset up, and I want only a smaller offset, and then run. So this one, actually we can control this one. It's already here. So 400. So you have here a multiplier plus. So actually we can change this one. Instead of this number, we can change this one to multiplication, so that we can multiply the number by decimal points. So let's say this one here, and then reduce and connected here. So let's say what's the value for that one? So a little far. Let's say I want to multiply this one to 0.8, and then run. So okay, that's a little 1. I think that I made the wrong offset of the line. I think I have to select this line here, so I know already which line is that. Okay, I think it's here. Okay, sorry, it's in here. Okay, that's not it. This one. The point. Okay, I think go back here. So this, I think this one, this one, yeah, this one. So if you want this to lower, okay, what should I do? So okay, I think that will be in another session training. So I'll show you the script quickly. I have 30 seconds. So you can download this one in the site. Actually, you cannot see here. So you can download in a Dynamo, and on my previous video for the piping, you can download there. in a dynamo beam site.